In my last video, I had a bit of a painting challenge thing. You can see this flower here that looks super dodgy. The reason why it looks super dodgy is because I painted it in 5 minutes. So I set that challenge for myself and had to paint this thing just here. I think it turned out not too bad with such a crazy time limit, but guess what? I had fun with this one, so I'm just gonna do it again. This time I was thinking like, what likes a flower? And bees. Bees are cool, right? Maybe I can like get like a little bit of furry technique in there or whatever if I have time, but we're gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna whip my mask on here and chuck my phone out in front of me, chuck a 5-minute timer on that, and we'll see how dodgy a bee looks. I'm not too optimistic about this one, to be honest, but I'm gonna post this no matter how it looks. I promise to myself I'm gonna post this, so I don't know. Let's hope I don't embarrass myself. I don't know about this one. Let's have a look. By the end of it, I sort of wanted to add like a bit of movement, like something else to it, because I had a bit of time. I started going way too fast at the start. But you can see underneath like the wings, I was doing like a little bit of a squiggly fade out thing. Obviously not a masterpiece, not to be expected in like a 5-minute piece. I never paint bees. Let's just pan out and let's check out what this thing looks like the bee next to the flower. I didn't even think about how close he was. Let's see. It's pretty funny that they it actually like interacts like one piece to the next. I didn't mean that at all. I just saw a flower and thought, why not paint a bee? But I don't know, sort of works. As you can see, it's like flying in to go get some pollen. But yeah, fun piece, 5-minute challenge. Cheers for tuning in. If you want to see more of my work, if you want to learn how to spray paint, you want to do all that good stuff with cans and brushes and painting murals, check out my channel, because there's a whole bunch up there. I do appreciate heaps you guys watching along. You guys are the best. I'll catch you on the next one, and we'll have some fun painting again.